the daylight fades. Tall oak shadows in the forest shade. Mountain air in the open sky. Everything here feels alive. Take me where the wild winds sing, through the quiet that the pines will bring. Sunset glow on a winding road. Heavy hearts finally let go. Far from the noise, just earth and trees. Living slow in the mountain breeze.
Hi, I'm Lenny Sharp, leader of the Sharp Mountain Homes team of eXp Realty. We're here in the communities just outside Yosemite National Park, and our specialty is helping short-term rental or Airbnb investors invest in our area and build their portfolio of high-performing, cash-flowing properties. So how do we help you? Well, there's a variety of ways, and we have many tools. We also have a 57-page investor guide, which gives you all the tips, tricks, and key information, valuable nuggets that will help you select the area and select the home that can generate maximum profitability. Our latest resource is our Yosemite STR Deal Finder. This is an app that we built on Base 44 based on AirDNA data. We literally licensed all the data for all the Airbnbs in the Yosemite area, and in fact the northern and southern Sierra Nevada mountains, and provide great investment opportunities for you, the investor. You'll see the listing down below. That's the homes.com listing with all the key information about the listing, as well as the photos, etc. Along with that, we're going to then take a tour of the property and give you those tips and tricks as we walk the property so you can make the very best investment decision possible. If you're thinking about an STR in our area, reach out to me or any of the members on my team. You can see our contact information on my website, sharpmountainhomes.com, and give us your information, download the investor guide, and use that as the foundation for your search. We look forward to meeting you, showing you properties, and starting you on your Yosemite area STR investing adventure. Thank you very much. We're here at 50856 Westview Court in Oakhurst. And I think the first thing you'll notice is the views. So got some really nice views from this spot. Trees block some of it, but it's a really nice location. And we'll see the house. It's got a very interesting architecture. And you can see the driveway is gravel, but certainly very well maintained. And wood galore. So this end has got carport and the 2-car garage. We'll go ahead and take a look inside. You can see a little hint of the architecture there. It's kind of a interesting architectural style, kind of modern, but not too modern. So just wrap around here to the front door. You can see the lofted area there. So let's go ahead and step inside. So immediately off of the entrance, you've got this dining area. And over here, bedroom 1, a couple of cribs, and bedroom 2 with the wood beam ceiling. So it's got definitely a nice mountain feel, but again, more of a modern mountain, if you will. Nice bathroom with the laundry actually in the bathroom. Tub shower combo. And then again, we'll step over here. First, we'll see the living area. Again, nice wood beam ceiling, very roomy. Room for a giant sectional. Doors on both sides. We've got this area here with the fire pit and up the hill, nicely manicured. And we'll go ahead and wrap around and see the kitchen a little more closely. So, got a solid counter, nice cabinets, beautiful appliances, walk-in pantry, and yeah, nice backsplash. And again, you get that nice expansive feel with the wood accents. So yeah, very well done and really inviting. And so here's the formal living. So the other living area was really the family room. So this is nice because it's got a little separation. If you've got teenagers or kids, they can hang out in the other room. You have adults that want to have a conversation, you can do that there. And again, the primary bedroom with its own private patio with a bit of view through the trees there. And double vanity, closet on one end, and shower on the other. Nice tile work, little river rock base, and wood beam ceiling. So yeah, very, very nicely finished. Floor looks great. Looks like a luxury vinyl plank floor, or maybe wood look tile. I think maybe wood look tile, which is super durable. Gives you the look of wood, but without the maintenance. And then on this side of the family room, we've got a little seating area, barbecue area, primarily using the carport for storage, but you could certainly use that for parking if you use the garage as a game room. So paint looks just a little faded, so maybe could use a coat of paint. I see the Starlink up there, some solar. We'll get the story on that in terms of leased or owned. And this garage is, I would say, partially finished. I see some drywall, but I see an unfinished ceiling. But yeah, this would make a great game room. So yeah, I think this home has a lot of potential. And again, just thinking about the photos and how the photos will translate to the Airbnb listing, you're definitely going to get that mountain home character that everybody loves. But it's not a rustic mountain home. It's a more modern mountain home with, again, nice location with beautiful views. So yeah, definitely a good option here on Westview Court.
Our mountain homes team, we ride as one, find a right deal.